Oh yes, just got to went to the mailbox and I got something from Bronco. It's been a while. I was wondering if I'd get any more freebies or whatever, but let me get you on the tripod here. Sorry for the shaky dakey, but of course I removed my super secret new address. Well, it looks like it's going to be some playing cards. It's been a while since they sent out a free gift. Those of you that know. I've had a Bronco on order. You know, I put my $100 down. What, a couple years back now? I don't know how long it's been. It just keeps getting bumped. It's probably going to get bumped again because they're not able to build all these people that have them reserved. So they like to tantalize us and keep us happy with little gifts. This might actually be useful this time though. Okay, well, maybe everyone's going to get these that's in the Bronco thing. This is from Bronco Rewards. Let's see, I'll let you kind of, maybe you can pause and read that. I don't know. Happy Bronco birthday. So looks like we got some playing cards. Little case here. Alright, that's cool. Let me open these. Here, let me pack this up. I wasn't even in frame, I don't think. And it comes in this nice little plastic case. And yeah, that's what we got here. We got us some playing cards. Okay, that's kind of cool. The King has a Bronco on it. Let's see what other more Bronco action. There's the Queen. All right. You know what? I like that. We'll take this. There's the Joker. I mean, they're not like, I don't know how long they'll last. They're not super thick cards. Kind of a interesting feel to them, but hey, playing cards, nice little deck. And what does that one say? It's King. Bronco. Alright, if you're still with me, I'll read this. Whether you're off-road, well, it first says happy birthday. I can't read. Happy Bronco birthday. Whether you're off-road in your brand new Bronco, nope, or waiting on one, yep, probably can't afford it once it finally gets built. We appreciate you being part of the 57th Ride Around the Sun. We wanted to mark this occasion by finding a way to celebrate with all of you, the whole Bronco family. I appreciate that. Now this limited edition deck of all-weather playing cards, that maybe explains the feel to them. Must be water resistant. Included are the rules to a new game called Broncos Wild. It's all you need to make memories around the campfire. Surround up your favorite people, circle up the chairs, and then shuffle up and deal. Looking forward to many more years of adventure ahead. Your Bronco Team. I thought there was a different card in there. Oh, it's right on the end. Yeah, Broncos Wild. Alright, that's cool. There's a little game there. Okay. Nice packaging. Cool. That's another little freebie. Boom.